The worms go in, the worms go out, the worms play pinochle on your snout.
Hey, Midwest Picker here. This is a sourcing video. Me and Little Midwest are on our way to an auction business, house, place. Tiffany's Online Treasures, is that what I said?
Yep.
This is a high bid auction. If you're not familiar with high bid, check that out. It's just a website where auction companies use it, kind of like an eBay. Most of them are local pickup, but some of them do ship. Most of them don't ship, so make sure you're very careful if you bid on anything. I do a 50-mile radius, so we are heading to Greenville, Michigan. This is the hometown of Meyer Thrifty Acres, if you're from the Midwest. And we're going to grab dinner on the way home. So I won 2 items. I won a wooden Indian Kachina doll. Maybe I'll put pictures up as I'm saying this. And then to Little Midwest displeasure, I won a vintage string puppet. It's probably not haunted. It probably will not kill us on the way back home, but she does not want to hold it on her lap, do you?
Nope.
Yeah, she said nope. So we're going to get it right now. I have no idea how much video I'm going to shoot, but we'll definitely do a haul video type of thing back at the eBay office or in the car. If it comes to life in the car while I'm driving down the road, I'll try to make a video of that. Do you have your last will and testament updated? Do you know what that is?
Nope.
That's a piece of paper that says this is what everybody gets if you die.
No.
You should keep it updated.
Well, hello. Where's this man Joey you were telling me about? I'm just thinking about Joey, and it's making me dance and dance and dance. Alright, so this is the first item I got from my auction. It is this string puppet. It's about 14 inches tall. And it, you control it. The hands go up and down. You won't believe I paid $5 for this on a high bid auction. Look at this beauty. Who would not want this? For $5, I was the only bidder. Anyway, I think she's pretty awesome myself. She's a great dancer. She's got a glitter skirt. She's a little woody. No idea how old she is, if she's vintage. I haven't checked for a maker's mark or anything. I think it's awesome. I think it's pretty awesome. For $5, are you kidding me? It is old-ish. Just not quite sure how old. The worms go in, the worms go out, the worms play pinochle on your snout. The worms go in, the worms go out, the worms play pinochle on your snout. You can Google the rest of the lyrics. Alright, item number 2, Native American Kachina Dancing Eagle figurine made out of wood. This is also vintage, lots of feathers. It's got the artist name on the bottom. Yazi. Very cool. This one I picked up for $10. There was only one other person bid against me. I had to go up. I think its starting bid was $6. Then it went to $8, and then I got it for $10. So this is very cool too. That's about 11 inches tall. But thanks to the cat, the nurse Flipper, she said anytime you see these, grab them. This is handmade, hand carved. They have different values. I'll put it over here, maybe on the right side of the screen. I made a video. It all depends. If it's one of a kind, you can ask for a lot more money. If it's not one of a kind and it's mass produced, you probably get a lot less money for it. But I think because it's handmade, it's pretty unique. So it'll be interesting. This is definitely going to go up for sale. on my eBay store. The string puppet, I might keep that as a sidekick to Joey. Put down in the comments, should I keep the string puppet as a sidekick to Joey, as kind of like a second person for my eBay office? The Kachina doll will be for sale. I don't know how much I'm going to list it for. I'm going to start out high if it's the only one like it, and then I can always come down later. It looks like turquoise there in the middle. Yeah, it looks like a chunk of turquoise in the center. That's pretty cool. I really like it. So you can't keep everything, guys. On the wall here, I'm going to put a shelf up here. And I've got all kinds of stuff in these boxes I haven't decorated with yet. So you can't keep everything. I did keep a lot. This totem pole I got from Commonwealth Picker. Flippin Particles sent me that plaque. It's pretty funny. It says Dave on one side and Ray on the other. And then Dr. Pepper. I don't know if you can see that, but she sent that to me. So that's pretty cool. Got my TV to work thanks to Dawn, 2 hip chicks. So yeah, tell me what you think of the Kachina doll. I believe it's Dancing Eagle is what the other ones are on eBay said, Dancing Eagle. The string puppet, unless it's worth $1 million, I don't think I'm going to sell it. I might have to have it blessed by like a local priest or something just in case, but I think she's beautiful. She needs a name, too. The string puppet has no name. Also called, I think, a marionette is the other name for it. So put down in the comments, what name should I give her? It'd be Joey's girlfriend. She needs a name. So maybe I'll do a poll, too, on my channel. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Just a quick haul video from High Bid local auction. Tiffany's Online Treasures in Greenville, Michigan. She has an auction every 2 weeks around the clock, so it's pretty cool. They end every Sunday. Every other Sunday they end. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.